In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtask for subtasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to take any existing task and neatly tuck it under another task or even under a subtask, giving you a clear, multi-level structure for complex work. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your workspace. Give the app a moment to load your most recent views so you can jump in without delay. If you use multiple spaces or folders, make sure you're in the right area of your workspace so the tasks you need are easy to find. Next, head to your tasks. You can do this from a list, board, or any view you prefer. Use the sidebar or search bar if you have a large workspace, and filter by assignee, status, or keywords to zero in on the exact item you want to nest. Remember, the item you plan to convert can be a regular task or an existing subtask. Either way, the process works the same. Open the task you want to move deeper into your hierarchy. In the task window, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the upper right corner. Click it to open more options, then choose Convert. From the Convert options, select Subtask. ClickUp will prompt you to choose a new parent. This is where you decide whether you want this item to live under a top-level task or under another subtask, effectively creating a subtask of a subtask. Use the search field or browse the list to pick the exact parent you want, then confirm. Once you confirm, your selected item becomes a subtask beneath the parent you chose. Most of its details, like the description, attachments, comments, and assignees, typically carry over. The status and some custom fields may adjust to match the destination location settings, which is normal. If you have automations or dependencies in place, give those a quick glance afterward to ensure everything still lines up with your new structure. To verify, open the parent task or subtask you selected and expand its subtasks. You'll see the newly converted item neatly nested inside. Use the breadcrumb path at the top of the task window to navigate back up the hierarchy at any time. If you're building a deep structure, consider consistent naming, like adding a prefix, so nested items remain readable. Keeping your hierarchy focused and intentional helps teammates understand ownership and sequence without getting lost. That's all there is to it. You've just converted a task into a subtask and placed it exactly where it belongs, even under another subtask, so your ClickUp workspace stays organized and scalable as your projects grow.